Hello friends, welcome to AgriUI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to conduct the mock test number 8 on Objective of Agriculture by SR Kantwa book. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. So let's start the video. Question number 171. In functional allelopathy, first option, toxin substances are released as such from the plant. Second option, a precursor is released which is converted into active substances by some microorganisms. Third option, there is no question of release of any toxic substance. Fourth option, release of nitrogen from the nodule of legume takes place. Generally, in functional allelopathy, a precursor is released which is converted into active substances by some microorganisms. That means the correct answer is option number second. Then next question. Water harvesting is defined as, first option, application of water at the time of harvesting crops like colocasia, tapioca and yam. Second option, harvesting deep water from soils by pumping devices. Third option, unit of water applied to crops. Fourth option, collecting the excess runoff from rain on the farm in ponds and utilizing it later for agriculture. Water harvesting is defined as option number 4, collecting the excess runoff from the rain on the farm in ponds and utilizing it later for agriculture. Then next question. Which one of the following operations is associated with the process of nipping in gram? First option, treating the seed with rhizobium culture. Second option, tying the branches to avoid lodging. Third option, picking green leaves for vegetable purposes. Fourth option, plucking the apical buds to promote branches. The operations which is associated with the process of nipping in gram is option number 4. That means plucking the apical buds to promote branches. Then next question. Which one of the following is the best example of catch crop? First option, linseed. Second option, mustard. Third option, toria. And fourth option, groundnut. The best example of catch crop is option number 3, that means toria. Then next question. Which one of the following is a relay cropping system? First option, maize, mustard, pearl millet plus cowpea. Second option, maize, potato, wheat, green gram. Third option, black gram, wheat, green gram. Fourth option, pearl millet, mustard, green gram. The relay cropping system is a option number 2, maize, potato, wheat and green gram. The next question. The possible limitation in the effective usage of Azolla are, first option, less availability of water. Second option, low survival rate during summer. Third option, problem of transportation. And fourth option, all of the above. The possible limitation in the effective usage of Azolla are all of the above. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Then next question. The origin place of potato is, first option, China. Second option, South America. Third option, Tropical America. And fourth option, Africa. The origin place of potato is option number 2, that means South America. Then next question. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? First option, cotton, Southern India, sowing time August to September. Second option, sugarcane, Adsali crop, sowing time July to August. Third option, lentil, Northern India, sowing time July to August. Fourth option, soybean, Northern India, sowing time June to July. The pair which is not correctly matched is option number 3, that means lentil, Northern India, sowing time July to August. Then next question. Soybean is originated in, first option, India. Second option, China. Third option, Japan. And fourth option, Tropical America. Soybean is originated in option number 2, that means China. Then next question. At field capacity, the value of PF is, first option 0.0, second option 2.5, third option 4.2, and fourth option 6.0. At field capacity, the value of PF is option number second, that means 2.5. Then next question. At permanent wilting point, the PF value is first option 0.0, second option 2.5, third option 4.2, and fourth option 6.0. At permanent wilting point, the PF value is option number second, that means 4.2. Then next question. Among the following, the set of essential nutrient elements which are absorbed as anions by plants is first option boron, chlorine, copper, iron and manganese. Second option copper, iron, phosphorus, sulfur, zinc. Third option potassium, manganese, molybdenum, phosphorus, zinc. And fourth option boron, chloride, molybdenum, phosphorus, sulfur. The set of essential nutrient element which are absorbed as anions by plants is option number 4, that means boron, chloride, molybdenum, phosphorus and sulfur. Then next question. A fertilizer which supplies 3 essential plant nutrients is first option DAP, that means diammonium phosphate. Second option MOP, that means muriate of potash. Third option SSP, single super phosphate. And fourth option SOP, that means sulfate of potash. A fertilizer which supplies 3 essential plant nutrients is option number 3, that means SSP, single super phosphate. Then next question. The FE chelate suitable for application to crops grown on acid soil is first option FeEDTA, second option FeEDDHA, third option FeDTPA and fourth option FeHSDTA. The FE chelate suitable for application to crops grown on acid soil is option number 4, that means FeHSDTA. Then next question. Which one of the following fertilizers contain water soluble phosphorus? First option SSP, second option DCP, third option MAP and fourth option both 1 and 3. The fertilizers which contain water soluble phosphorus is first option SSP, that means single super phosphate, and third option MAP, that means monoammonium phosphate. That means the correct answer is option number 4, both 1 and 3. Then next question. Stem nodulation occurs in green manure crop of first option Sesbania aculeata, second option Sesbania cannabina, third option Crotalaria juncea and fourth option Ischnomene afraspera. Generally, the stem nodulation occurs in green manure crop of option number 4, Ischnomene afraspera. Then next question. Hybrid rice for commercial production was first evolved in first option India, second option China, third option Japan and fourth option USA. Hybrid rice for commercial production was first evolved in option number 2, that means China. Then next. In tobacco, the basic aim of topping and desuckering is to first option reduce plant height, second option encourage branching, third option divert energy and nutrients from flower heads to leaves, fourth option protect the plants against lodging. In tobacco, the basic aim of topping and desuckering is to option number 3, divert energy and nutrients from flower heads to leaves. The next question. Crop logging is used in first option sugarcane, second option sugar beet, third option maize and fourth option tea. Crop logging is used in option number 1, that means in sugarcane. Then next. The neutron scattering method is not useful in estimating the moisture in first option acidic soil, second option alluvial soils, third option lateritic soil and fourth option organic soil. The neutron scattering method is not useful in estimating the moisture in option number 4, that means in organic soils. Then next, thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.